si Nina Velasco. With our Technical Division Manager, Ronaldo Velasco.
Hello! At syempre, ang taga Santa Cruz, Laguna, narito na po, Santa Cruz, Laguna Water District, sa pangunguna po ng aming OIC, Ms. Gloria Pasion, Admin Manager, Common Interaction, Field and Operation Division Manager, Antonio Limongo, OIC Maintenance Division, Andrea Angel Santiago, Ciao Santa Cruz.
Ngayon naman po, ito ang pinakagwapo at pinakasimpatikong GM ng Laguna. Laguna Water District, headed by GM Tali Tabanao. I'm sorry, Kabuyaw.
Kabuyaw Water District, Engineer Area Di Maunan! At syempre, nandito po ang taga Laguna Water District sa pangunguna ni GM Tali Tabanao.
Ngayon naman po, ito, sumunod na naman po from Laguna Water District ay ang San Pedro Water District, headed by GM Gary Philip.
At narito po naman ang kapunan from Morong Water District headed by GM Chris Gutierrez and from Tanay Water District headed by GM Armando Bogay. Hello! Okay. Naglalay na po kayo, sir. Katapat po. Okay, doon po sa dulo.
Now, the torch is with GM Gary. Gary Philip.
Okay, yung pong mga nadaanan ng torch, pwede na pong lumapit dito at
Yung po pinakang last na humawak ng torch, pakidala po dito for GM Rico Pasumbal. Ayan na po, ayan na, tumatakbo na yung may hawak ng torch. Ayan na po siya. Ayan na po si... Na-transfer na po to Rizal. Morong Water District. Dito po. Paki-forward po dito yan.
Wala pong present na general manager, pwede
Yes.
na hong i-directa dito sa ating istawad per. I-transfer po kay GM Hermo Ilagan. GM Hermo Ilagan. There. Then i-transfer po kay GM... okay.
GM Rico na
This flame represents the endeavor for protection and struggle for victory. The flame has come to symbolize the light of the Spirit, knowledge and life. It also symbolizes purity, the endeavor for perfection, and the struggle for victory, peace and friendship. This flame stands for the skill and dedication of friendly competition. Okay, it is not to triumph but to struggle. Not to have conquered but to have fought well. The most important thing in the Olympic Games is not to win, but to take part of it. Go faster, higher, is stronger.
So, bakit po walang firecracker natin dyan?